So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the charging sounds on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to open the Settings app. In Settings, you want to tap on Sounds and Vibration, and then from here, you want to select System Sound. So currently, I have my system sound volume control here, which means I can use this to increase or decrease the system sound level. So if you can't do any of this, so you've tested it out, you can't adjust the system sound volume, ensure that your phone is unmuted and then try again. Once you've done all of that, you should see charging under the section sounds. So currently my charging sounds are enabled, which means that whenever I plug in my phone, a sound is emitted from my device telling me it's now charging. However, if I want to turn it off, then all I need to do is simply just tap on the toggle like that. And now, whenever I connect my phone to charge, no sound is heard from my phone. So it's up to you to decide if you want to leave it turned off or you want to turn it on. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.